up, guys? This is Deep South Classics. We're about to do a little pressure washing on a 65 Chevrolet truck. It's been setting up for a long time. Just gonna give it a bath, see if it'll look a little better. I should have waited or done a video, but I've actually already got the old truck running somewhat on just on the gas bottle. But just an old 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column. You know, standard run-of-the-mill work truck. But we're gonna clean it up and just send it on down the line for somebody else to have for a project. I've actually got a short step side bed and a short fleet side bed if somebody wants it. Be real easy to shorten the frame up and swap beds on it. It's gonna need some floor work. These rocker panels and floor pans, but I mean they just about all gonna need that around here where we from. But area over the windshield's real good. So that's the worst I know of to try to fix. But anyway, we're gonna give it a bath and see if it looks better. Put you on a time lapse and let you take a peek. '65 Chevrolet. Pulled out the woods about 2 weeks ago, sitting in the middle of a cow pasture under a bunch of trees. I don't know how many years it's been sitting there, but a long time. As evidenced by the way it looks. But it's purring like a kitten after a little bit of tinkering. Taking the carburetor apart, cleaning it, filing the points, putting a new ignition switch in it. Old 6-cylinders are hard to beat. Pressure wash bath now. Y'all watch this. This is how these old ones are cracked. Truck been setting up, I don't know how many years. Long time. All it takes is a little tinkering. Found this old rig laying in the dirt. Probably been laying here in my house for 15 years. A little slag on it. Take that all day. Alright guys, it don't look a whole lot better, but it looks a little better. We got them barnacles off of it anyway. As you can tell from years ago, this thing was painted with a brush. I don't know if any of you's ever run into that, but I have. But that's the way folks used to do it, especially on an old work truck. We went ahead and pressure washed under the hood. Hopefully I didn't get nothing too wet under here. We're probably gonna do a Craigslist rebuild on that motor with some fresh spray paint. Make that look a little better. It actually runs real good. I'll put a video in here of it running. We actually got it running last week, but I'll put one of those videos in here with it. So anyway, fellas, this will make somebody a good project truck. 65 Chevrolet C-10, half-ton, long bed, step side. But again, I've got a short bed, fleet side bed. It's pretty rough, but it's usable. And I've got a short box, short step side box that will be real good. Anyway, that's what it is. That's what it's gonna be. But, see you on the next one. Thank y'all for watching.